Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to study the preceding part of the essay Tune into the Voice of the Deprived by Aruna Roy. The previous part of the essay has been discussed by me in my last two videos on this essay. If we recapitulate the essay, in the previous part we had learnt that the writer Aruna Roy was concerned in taking into consideration to the voices of the deprived. The deprived are the people who do not have enough of the basic things such as food, money, etc. This deprivation is based on the economic condition, caste, and gender bias, etc. The writer Aruna Roy states that even though our democratic system offers everyone equal rights to shape their own future, regardless of caste, creed, race, and religion, in reality, there is a gap between theory and practice. It has become a challenge to have a system of governance of, by, and for the people in a practical manner and to maintain an equal behavior with everyone without any bias. In this present video, the writer Aruna Roy stresses on the importance of collective actions like campaigns and dharnas to bring about change in current situations. She further adds that even our existing laws can be made more effective with the involvement of common masses in different stages of conception, formulation, and implementation. So, the next part of the essay is as following. Public action has come out of these basic and cherished ideals. The writer says that action here means reaction. Reactions have come out of these basic and cherished here means wanted ideals. Action which connects a concern for oneself with a concern for others eventually strengthens one's own sense of well being and peace. Action which connects a concern for oneself. The writer here wants to say that if in any action there is concern for others, that eventually means in the end strengthens one's own sense of well being and peace. Democracy gives us all a right to act. Democracy gives us all a right to act. Many of us are in fact denied the right to act because of caste, class, or religious and gender prejudices. The writer says that democracy gives us all a right to act, but many of us are in fact denied the right to act because of caste, class, religion, or gender prejudices. Others who can act do not act. They neither perceive their role nor even think of a social agenda. Such type of people, those who do not want to act, they neither perceive their role, they do not see their role, nor even think of a social agenda. Agenda here means issues. They also do not think about the social issues. We have an obligation to enable those who are denied access to shrinking public spaces. We have an obligation to enable. The writer says that we are to insist or we are to make enable to those people who are denied access. Access means reach to shrinking. Shrinking means that is becoming less public spaces. The writer says that we have our responsibility to enable to those people who are denied access or approach to the becoming less public spaces and to push those who can but do not. It is our obligation, it is our responsibility to push or make enable to those people who can work but do not do into some sort of limited public action, who do not do work in limited public action. We are to enable them, we are to motivate them to work. Imagine 1% of Indians in intelligent public action. It is a crore of people who can change this country. If we imagine 1% of Indians in intelligent public action, intelligent public action means people who act publicly in a wise way, in a public sphere, in a public field, who are doing work in a wise way. If we think about 1% of Indians, it is a crore of people. 1% is uh, about a crore of people who can change this country. We could be a part of the process of change and feel immensely empowered. The writer says that we could be a part of the process of change. We can bring change in society and feel immensely empowered. If we are able to bring change in society, then we will feel immensely means much empowered. Important moments of my content have come out of collective action. Important moments of my content. Content means subject matter. The writer which wants to say. The writer says that the important moments of her content or subject matter have come out of collective action, that have come out of the action that is done collectively by the people. Whether it was in 1000 women protesting against rape, innovating in methods of expressing their emotions, or in a dharna where, after struggling together for months and years, a change is acceded to. She says that whether it was the moment of 1000 women protesting against rape, innovating in methods of expressing, innovating means the new ideas or new actions in methods of expressing their emotions, or in a dharna where, after struggling together, people struggled together for months and years, a change is acceded to. There has acceded to means emerged. There has emerged a change after the collective action. Campaigns have repeatedly demonstrated the power of collective participation to change the direction of governance. Campaigns that are driven by people have repeatedly demonstrated means they have again and again shown the power of collective participation, the power of collective participation to change the direction of governance. People who work collectively and who drive campaigns, their campaigns have the power to change the direction of the government or the authority. My own involvement with my campaigns shows that even laws with far reaching consequences, like the Right to Information Act and Employment Guarantee Act, can come about through the involvement of ordinary people in the conception, formulation, and implementation of law and policy. My own involvement with my campaigns shows. The writer says that her own involvement with her campaigns shows that even laws with far reaching consequences means results, like the Information Act and the Employment Guarantee Act, they could come about through the involvement of ordinary people in the conception means forming or making a concept, formulation means to form an idea, and implementation to execute, uh, or to continue of law and policy. uh, and the writer says that her campaigns could be made effective with the participation of common people and these act could come into existence because of the participation or because of the interest of the people. They also show in simple practical entitlements for democratic action, and result these acts show the result in simple practical entitlements. In simple practical entitlements means simple practical rights for democratic action. Democratic action, the action done by the people. The writer in these lines wants to say that her campaigns could be successful because of the participation of the common people, and because of the participation of the common people in the campaigns, uh, the different laws, right to information act and the employment guarantee act could come into existence, and these acts provided simple practical entitlements or rights for democratic action.